Hey guys, I got a new voicemail using a computer program that I got, and I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. That's how evil I am. I can't see my phone number. You guys are crazy. I'll just watch. Listen and watch. I'm gonna move this over here. Ignore.
What's up? You have reached Giorgio's cell phone. He is either busy or doesn't want to answer the fucking phone. So go home, Patry, and leave a message, but I bet you he will erase it right as soon as you do. Good day to you, ma'am or sir. I really don't give a shit.
At the tone, please record your message.
Yeah, I don't know. I just made it up, but I thought you guys might want to hear it, so yeah, that's it. So, leave a message, bitch.